Hello. So today I found this on the side of the road and we're going to refurbish it. And this is part one of I don't know how many. Step one is to remove these glass globes. Be careful not to drop the screws like I just did. Try to put those in a place where they're safe. God, that one's out, but not really. There it goes. I'm probably going to get new gloves for it. Why? Because I want to. Ah! Now, we're going to remove the blades from the blade arms. But before we do that, I'm going to flip it up. There's a cotter up here in the top. There's a cotter pin and a cotter clip. I'm going to remove that cotter clip. This little guy. I'm going to remove the pin. And now that'll expose the wires, which need work. I put the cotter pin back in the down rod and put the cotter clip on it. That way we don't lose any of them. And I'm going to set that off to the side. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the blades from the blade arms. Just by removing these 3 screws. And make sure you keep these screws handy, because we will be putting this fan back up. If it works, that is. It might not work. Alright, so now I'm going to remove the rest of the blades. Alright, our blades are now removed. You can see from the removal we have that nice bright shiny metal on the inside. Now we're flipping it back over. We're going to remove our light kit. Alright, now we're going to disconnect these pins on the inside that are holding the wires in place. Now that that's done, we're going to give no, not yet. We're going to remove the blade arms. I've never picked up a fan off the curb before and the screws have been this easy. Alright, our blade brackets are now removed and I've discovered our fan is rather small. Alright, now we're going to wash the entire fan with a bucket of water and a couple of towels. One for washing, for drying, if I need one for drying. I might just get it damp and do the motor. So, I'm going to do the motor first. Just going to nice and wet. Get all that grime off of it. A little bit of water I don't think can harm a motor. But this is really gunky. Look at that. And it's rained around here. So if water did ruin this motor, it's already been ruined. But there's really no way to find out at the moment. God dang. looks like we're starting to get through that layer of grime because I'm starting to see some shiny metal. Alright, that's probably good. That's just the top. What I'm really interested in is getting the sides washed. Am I getting through that? Is that the mark on the metal? Or is that dirt? Really? With this brass, it's hard to tell if you're cleaning it or not, especially with it all aged like this. But I'm not going to waste all my memory. Now I'm going to wash these blade brackets. Here's a before, and here's an after. You can really see how I got through that thick layer of grime, but still, it is rather aged, which means that when I paint it, that will all go away. But now it's clean and ready for paint. What we're going to clean next is this, the base, but we're also going to clean the light kit. So let's get to that right now. Alright, now I'm drawing the light kit, but before I do that, I'm going to give it one more quick wash. This is the fun part of washing it. I've never tried this before. Ready? Alright. Alright, so now I'm going to wash this. Along with these. I'm going to go see if we have any Clorox, because I might just pour a bunch of Clorox in that water and let it bleach and let it soak through. Now, I know that most of you know this, but I'm just going to say, if you're going to pour bleach in a bucket of water, you make sure that you don't get it on your clothes, because it will turn them pink or white. But I know that, so I'm just going to be really careful. I'm just going to open the bleach. Okay, that's good. Got none on my clothes. Now I've got a bucket full of bleach water. I'm going to put all of this in there. Let it do its trick. Alright, and that's it for refurbishing the ceiling fan part 1. Make sure to watch part 2, where we paint it, and take care of that all, and get all my blades on it, and all that good stuff. New gloves, everything. Bye.